Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. So this is another daily reading, guys, for your love messages. Okay, so let's see what's coming up. Archangel Gabriel, silence your thoughts, withdraw. Okay. Okay, Capricorn, I think you may be thinking too much about something, you don't know what to do. Okay, and the angel message is Archangel Gabriel will give you clarity to decide what to do. Okay, give you the strength to deal with the situation, to what decision you have to make. Okay, but you need to take a break, guys. It does not necessarily mean a breakup, but you have to view your relationship from a different perspective. Okay, you should view it from a distance. Okay, so you will get a better clarity of what you should do. Okay, and do not think too much because you're going to get the positive result very soon. Okay, that's what the angels are telling you, guiding you today. So you will get a better outcome if you see your situation from a different perspective. You'll understand the truth. Okay, for that you need to silence your thoughts, guys. You should not overthink anything. You should not overthink your past, or you should not do overthink what is happening and what others are doing to you. Okay, this may be what you feel, or this may be what your person feels about you. Okay, it works both ways, guys. Let me pick out 3 more cards for you, Capricorn. Let's see what's coming up. Ownership, empathy, tolerance. Okay, so these cards are supportive, I feel, of what I have been telling to you previously. Okay, ownership, you should own your action, guys. Like whatever you have done, you should be courageous enough to take credit to and for all the mistakes you did. Okay, when you do that, you get a, what to say, there's a peace of mind when you accept things as it is. When you accept your mistakes, you start to love yourself. Okay, you feel empathy for others also. You understand their situation, and you should be very tolerant, guys, with yourself for all the mistakes you have done, or maybe for all the mistakes your person has done. Okay, and for all the good things also, you should take credit for all the good things you have done. You should be very tolerant towards others, and this is what I feel, guys. Do not think too much about anything. So there's guidance on the way. Okay, you will feel strength to overcome any situation with the angel guidance. You need to silence your thoughts, guys, and you need to be more tolerant, and you should take the lessons you have learned from your past mistakes. You should not brood over the mistakes. Instead, you should learn the lessons from your past mistakes, and you should overcome that. So that's what I feel, guys, for you. So this is all I'm getting for you, my lovely Capricorn. Please comment below, guys, whether this video resonated with you all. Okay, Capricorn, I'll see you all tomorrow with another daily love reading. Bye, guys.